Hello, this is Sriram from proscientist. Today we are going to talk about constellations. What are they? Constellations are basically groups of stars which can be seen in certain shapes or sizes. The constellations you can see at night depend on your location on the earth and the time of the year. Constellations were named after objects, animals, and people long ago. Astronomers still use constellations to name stars and meteor showers. 48 of the constellations are known as ancient and original, meaning they were talked about by the Greeks and probably the Babylonians and still earlier peoples. After the 15th century, with the age of the great discoveries and worldwide navigation, the southernmost parts of the sky became known to man and had to be charted. Now, the question is who discovered them? We don't know the answer to the question because it happened so long. We do know that people have used the names for constellations for thousands of years. One of the earliest suspected deceptions of a constellation is a cave painting in Lascaux, France, that dates back to 17,000 years. From about 1000 BCE, names the constellation were in common use. Ancient Greeks listed up to 50 constellations, and these form the basics of constellations used by astronomers today. Hope you liked the video and found it informational. If such, click on this red subscribe button which you can see below. Bye bye.